We'll guide you through how to add bots to your Discord server. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on Discord, and here we are in my server. And so what we want to do is go and add in bots. Bots can have different features. For example, they can go and help moderate your server. They can add in things like welcome messages. You could go and add in the member count as well. Lots of things you can do. So to get started, come into the server you want to go and add the bot to. And there's actually going to be essentially a bot store where we can go and browse the different ones. So you can go to the top left and go and click on your server name. Go down and you want to find the option for app directory. We can go and get bots in here. You can go to the top and we can press moderation and tools, and you can then go and browse through the different bots you've got here. Of course, you can look at the different categories as well. For example, ticket tool, that's a really great one. In this case, I'll go and get Carlbot. Let me go and click on it, and you want to press add app to the right. Then you can scroll down, make sure you've got the right server there and press continue. Make sure this is all selected. They need this to properly work, and you can press authorize. Confirm you're human and it'll be added. Then you can press go to the server. You can then see it to the left here, and here it is. Now you can go and press slash and we can go and start using the commands. For example, help is going to be really useful. It'll give us some common commands we can use. So let me just go and press enter there like so, and it'll then go and give us some info about it. As you can see, you can go to the dashboard as well. Often bots are going to have their own sites. That's it.